I have a Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, and I'll be taking you through the unboxing experience so that you can all check out what comes inside the box, and then also have a first impression look at that they call it the awesome lemon color, and see what the phone is all about. Okay, so that's what the box looks like. This is the for Africa version, as you can see. So that's the right side of the box, the underside of the box, and of course it's sealed. Okay, so to get in there we have to obviously break the seal on both sides, so at the top and at the bottom, simple as that. And then pick up the top part of the box. Of course, here we have our usual, which is the documentation, the SIM ejector tool, and in here we have a data cable. So that's a type C to type C cable. And then you have your documentation, which will be your user guide and all that stuff. Okay, so nothing fancy. There's no case in here, there's no charging brick. What you see next is just the phone. Okay, so you only get this, the phone, and the SIM ejector tool. So the phone itself, this is your first look at the awesome lemon. There you go. So that's what the awesome lemon color looks like, and I have to say it looks really good. Now shifting it slightly changes the shade of that lemon color, and also the rails are that lemon color. Okay, now the back feels like plastic, and then you have your three camera modules at the back, the LED flash, and on the side we have what appears to be the volume rockers, the power button, and then at the bottom we have the type C port, microphone, and downward facing speaker, and then at the top we also have another microphone and the SIM tray. Okay, and that's basically the unboxing experience of the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. Now I'll be making subsequent videos on the first boot and setup, and also other videos, so make sure you stay tuned for those upcoming videos. But as far as the unboxing and checking out what's in the box and the first impressions, that's it. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.